Assalamualaikum and good morning.
Walaikum assalam.
How you are?
I am pretty well. Alhamdulillah.
My name is Arahan. I live in playgroup. Today our presentation topic is things which keep us clean. Shampoo.
Very good. Clap for Iris.
Soap. Comb.
Very good. Clap for Anam.
Toothpaste.
Very good. Clap for Anabia.
Toothbrush.